Hello everybody and welcome back to another Pacific Rim tutorial. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do two things. First, how to splice Bloodline into Jerry Brown, and then how to do a cross splice between 500-pound Jerry Brown and 300-pound. First thing you're going to need is your supplies. I have my 300-pound Bloodline here, just a little segment to show you. I have my 300-pound Jerry Brown here, and then my 500-pound as well. I have the largest splicing needle I could get, which is 500 pound. I have my reverse latch needle, a lighter, razor, scissors, and what I did here is I took a thin piece of wire and bent it, and this way I could use it to go up and insert it into the Jerry Brown and pull the tag ends through at the end. Okay, let's get started. So first, the thing about Bloodline is it's too thick to get into this splicing needle, and again, this is my largest size. See here? So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is cut about an inch worth, and I'm going to pull out all the stuffing that's inside, all the cotton. So grab your razor blade and very carefully make your incision. I'm going to take my scissors and do a little bit of a trim as well in the end here. So you can see all that cotton is opened up, and then we're going to pull all that out. Take my razor, and then with my lighter I'm going to burn off the excess cotton. Now that that's nice and thin, I can fit it easily into my splice needle, just like that. And now I can use the splice needle to insert the Bloodline. And see, with that, you'll be able to very easily put the Dacron or the Jerry Brown over the Bloodline. And you're going to do this about 6 feet to get a good strong splice, same as every other splice, and then go ahead and take your floss and splice it up. Okay, now that I've spliced my Bloodline into my 500-pound Jerry Brown, it's time to do the 500-pound Jerry Brown into the 300. So go ahead. You want about 3 feet of line for each size. I'm just going to work with a little bit though today for you. So here's my 300. Here's my 500-pound. With my reverse latch needle, I'm going to go ahead and pierce directly into the 300-pound, just like that. Then I'm going to take my tag end of my 500 and bring it through just like that. Give it a little, work it a little bit so it gets through. And you want to make sure that both your tag ends are even. So let's pull that further. Perfect, just like that. Okay, since we pierced the 300 first, I'm going to take my reverse latch needle. I'm going to pierce the 500 just right on where I pierced the 300. So put that through there. Remember to do the opposite. So now that I'm piercing the 500, I take the 300 tag end and bring it through. Pull the slack. And there we have both our lines together. Now what we need to do is hide these tag ends. And again, they're going to be about 3 feet in length. So I'm going to put that tag end in this side and this tag end here. So measure out the length of your tag end, go a little further past, and then this is where my curved wire comes in. And that's going to go directly into the center of the Jerry Brown. And I'm doing the pinched portion up first because that's what's going to grip onto our tag end and we're going to be able to pull it through. We're going to bring this end all the way up to, or as close as we can, to the knot. Pop it out. And since I'm in my 500, we're going to put the 300 tag into this little corner here. So 300 tag goes in and then pull it through all the way. Work it a little bit. And we're going to pop it right out. Pull the rest of the slack up. And then one quick rundown just like this to completely pull in that tag end. And there, it's all hidden and nice and strong. Now let's do it to the other side. So bring it all the way down past the tag end. Take my wire. The 300 pound, it's a little harder to get the 500 pound in there. Just keep on working it until you get it, and it should go through. It might just take a little bit more work. Okay. Now I'm going to take my 500 tag end, put it into the 300 pound. And this is going to take a little more work to get it in because of that size difference. But all you need to do is just twist it, and work it up nice and slow. See, it's slow going, but we got it. Perfect. Again, pull that extra slack. It's going to be a little tougher. Then do your final pull down until the tag is completely hidden. And there you go. You've got a nice strong splice to keep your lines together. And there you have it. This method helps you save a little bit of money if you don't want to fill your reel with 500 pound Jerry Brown. All you have to do is fill it with the 300, then take about 10 feet of the 500 pound Jerry Brown and splice it into the 300 and then into the Bloodline. Thank you so much everybody for watching. I hope you learned something today. Let us know if you have any comments or questions, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.